15 years ago, I put together a little company, Infinity Industrial Controls. We're proud to be one of America's most innovative and cost-efficient electrical control panel shops. We've helped automate everything from transportation to data centers, water systems and wastewater systems. We've learned a lot and we've helped our customers learn a lot. After 15 years of growth, we're not slowing down. Actually, we're speeding up. We've invested highly in an advanced system, an ERP, that has allowed us to obviously connect all our departments and become more efficient, therefore providing a higher volume and better buying power for our customers with us. We're 15 years strong and we're getting stronger. Infinity Industrial Controls is America's panel shop.